Yeah, it's up to you. I don't know how much they are.
It's only $35. Not bad, right? Better investment than a video game. You know, I don't think they're made in like, that one's got a hole in it. It's back. Something got it. I don't know if somebody tried to shoot it with a BB or what. See it? It does. It's got a hole right in its back.
You just have a bad marinade.
Well, there's something back there because there's skin missing. You know, fur missing in that area.
All the birds left.
Maybe it got attacked by a bird. That's possible. See it? Right on its back.
Yeah.
It's creepy. Poor thing.
Doesn't seem to bother it though.
No, because they gotta stay active.
Huh?
We gotta stay active, just like us. You know, if we don't stay active, we're gonna end up rotting away, right?
Rotting away.
Rotting away, waiting for the day. You know.
Rotting away the. How does you see that song by the I think Clay? Rotting away the moments that make up a dull day.
Yeah.